I want to focus, Gregorio, on the geographical network, the emphasis on Latin America, on Brazil. What's behind that? Why is that such a great market?
Brazil is like a continent-sized market. It's almost the size of the United States from a point of view of land mass. It has tremendous amounts of natural resources, which are very valuable. So Latin America for us starts at Brazil, which is a market that the company already kind of dominates offshore with a 50-55% market share. But I think that the validity of the continent-size strategy lies in the size of the potential opportunity.